The Indian Navy's INS Hangasa Air Station in Goa is all set to become an unusual and unprecedented international battlefield starting today, one that will be watched not just by Indian military planners, but by aviation experts around the world. Two foreign jets, one after the other, will begin a real-world joust in Goa with a multi-billion-dollar Indian Navy contract for aircraft carrier jets firmly in view. First off, a French Navy Rafale M fighter will test and demonstrate launch compatibility of a ski jump today at India's shore-based test facility in Goa. The fighter, purpose-built for a steam catapult launch of the French Navy's Charles de Gaulle aircraft carrier, will be launching off a ski jump for the first time in the real world. The fighter's maker Dassault Aviation has been conducting digital simulations for years now. The demonstration is a mandatory requirement for the Indian Navy's multi-role carrier-based fighter contest that envisages the acquisition of up to 57 fighters that will operate off the in-service INS Vikramaditya and soon-to-be commissioned indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant. The latter ship is on a third phase of sea trials this week and is to enter Indian naval service in August this year. Boeing will be flying in an FA-18 in March for a similar demonstration. The two rival fighters arriving in India for a physical demonstration of launch performance makes the Indian Navy's contest feel real for perhaps the first time. The Navy first provided shape to its requirement for 57 deck-based fighters in 2017. Both Dassault and Boeing have also fought headwinds within the Indian Navy over whether their big, heavy jets can function optimally on Indian carriers, which feature smaller lifts and hangars. Both companies have supplied the Indian Navy with reams of data, digital animations and demonstrations to dispel concerns, though these remain active considerations. The Indian Navy understands that it has very limited options if it sticks to its requirement for new generation naval jets. While Dassault will understandably play the fleet commonality card to the maximum extent possible, Boeing has mounted a typically aggressive and sustained campaign behind the FA-18 Super Hornet. Super Hornet has a twin-seat trainer version which can operate from aircraft carrier. But Rafale has no such twin-seater version which can operate from aircraft carrier. Thank you everyone for watching this video.